Question number 1. Find the estimated quotient for the following. So children, what you have to do there, you have to first estimate the numbers, then you will divide it. Okay, then you will get estimated quotient. So in this question you have to find out the estimated quotient. Let's do question number 1. Listen children, in this question it is not mentioned that how you have to do estimation, like nearest tens or nearest 100, nearest 1000, it is not mentioned. So how you are going to do, like suppose your question number 1, see question 1 is 56 divided by 18. Okay, so in this number beta ones or tens hai. Yes, you can see that your number is ones and tens, so you are going to find out nearest tens. So what you are going to find out? Nearest tens. First of 56 जो आपका divisor है, and then of divisor, nearest tens of divisor, it is 18. Okay, quickly write in your conversation box what will be the estimation nearest tens of 56. 56 का nearest tens क्या होगा children? Yes, quickly write in conversation box. Good, Varun Dev. No, Ankush Kumar 70 नहीं होगा. लक्ष्य not 50. Yes, good Abhimanyu. Mayank good. Krishna wrong. Krishna, check it again. Yes, Ishika, it's 60 beta. Ishika, it's 60. See children, how you are going to do? 56 say yes. It comes in between 50 और 60 के बीच में आता है. Yes, 56. Yes children. Yes Ishika, now it's correct. जो 56 है वो 650 and 60 के बीच में आता है. 56. Now what you are going to do? Next step आपका क्या होगा? 56 को आप देखोगे ones place पे, it's greater than 5. Yes, अगर greater than 5 है तो ये जो next वाला होगा आपका tens, ये वाला वो होगा, तो इसका क्या होगा? nearest tens 60. अब 18 का देखो चिल्ड्रन, 18 किसके बीच में आता है? कौन से दो 10 के बीच में? 10 and 20 के बीच में आता है 18. Yes, अब 18 का ones place देखो, ones place is greater than 5. So जो next one होगा बेटा, next वाला ये, so 20. Yes, yes, good. Now
Nearest tens of
yes, children, mute yourself. Good. Now mute yourself, beta.
Ma'am, I am not understand.
Your name, beta?
Ma'am, Ankita Rai.
Okay, Ankita. You don't know how to do how to find out estimation of nearest tens? Have you attended previous class? Now children, wait Ankita, I will explain you later. Wait, let me do this question. So now you will divide it. 60. $60 is your dividend and 20 is your divisor. So 23s are 60. Your estimated quotient is equal to 3. Is it clear to everyone how you are going to do? First you will estimate.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will divide it. Then what the जो आपका question आएगा, that will be your estimated quotient. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, quickly note down this.
Ma'am, we have to write it in this form.
Beta, see what you are going to write.
At my hand.
I'm underlining. Yes, I have underlined. We are going to write first nearest tens 56 is equal to 60. Nearest tens 18 is equal to 20. Okay. Then you will show this procedure. ये division step दिखाओगे आप division का. Okay. Then this estimated quotient is equal to 3.
Ma'am, हमें find the estimated quotient for the following ये भी लिखना है. I have done that.
Yes, write it. Question लिख लो. Okay, those who have done good. Others quickly note down. Yes, Arush Sharma. Good. Quickly, beta. We have to do next question. Yes. Yes, remainder is 0. Yes, children, have you done question number 1? Have you done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, number 2. Yes.
Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5, children. It's 193 divided by 23. So in this question, beta, you can see 193. Yes, it's ones, tens, 100. So you are going to find out nearest 100. Okay. So जो estimation होगा बेटा children, जो estimation होगा वो आप nearest 100 का करोगे. Because it's not mentioned in question. So you are going to find out estimation of nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds of 193 is equal to 200. And nearest tens of 23 is equal to 20. Now you will divide it. 200 divided by 20. So in 20's table, how many times? In how many times 200 comes? Yes, good Varun Dev.
Ma'am, 20 times. 20 times.
10 times. 10. See, 20 tenza is equal to 200. So 10 times. Your remainder is 0 and your estimated quotient is 10. Okay, quickly note down this question. Is it clear to everyone? Yes? अगर बेटा उस yes, okay.
Ma'am, nearest 100 of 193 is 195.
बेटा नियरेस्ट 100 फाइंड आउट करना, आपको नियरेस्ट टेंस नहीं करना. आरुष, ये देखो, ये जो 193 है वो 100 और 200 के बीच में आता है. यस
Ma'am,
Now-
but in that time, ma'am, हो गया है, क्या आप फिर से बता सकते हैं जो आप कर रहे थे?
Okay, Dhruvi, I'm explaining it again. Children, your question is you have to divide 193 by 23. I'm doing it again. 193 divided by 23. Now first you are going to find out estimation. You are going to estimate. For 193 you will find out nearest hundreds of 193. How you are going to do? 193 comes between 100 and 200. Yes, children, nearest 100 बोला है. आरुष, nearest 100 बोला है, तो आपको 100 देखना है. 100 और 200 के बीच में आता है 193. 190 और 200 नहीं लोगे, वो गलत हो जाएगा. इसको 190
195 आएगा.
नो 190 और 200 नहीं लोगे. आपका हंड्रेड्स क्या होता है? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. यस, यही तो होता है. 600, 700, 800, 900 and then you will take 1000. तो जो ये 193 है वो कौन से 200 के बीच में आ रहा है? यस
Ma'am, 100 and 200. 100.
यस, तो वो किसके आ रहा है? वो
One of this one. One of previous one.
वो 100 और 200 के बीच में आ रहा है. अब आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि 193 का नियरेस्ट क्या हो सकता है. 100 होगा या 200 होगा. सो फाइंड आउट. यू विल टेक 193 और आप उसका वंस एंड टेंस वाला डिजिट देखोगे. इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन 5 तो आपका नेक्स्ट वाला 100 होगा. ये इसका क्या हो जाएगा? 200. नाउ इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? यस
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
yes. Archana, oh sorry, Ankita Ray, you have doubt in nearest tens. Yes, let me explain you. Quickly do it. Yes, then nearest tens of 23. going to find out. Children listen, बहुत easy एक trick बताती हूँ. If you have to find out nearest tens, तो आप 10 की टेबल देखोगे. Okay, 10 की टेबल सबको आती है? Yes. टेंस टेबल देखोगे आप चिल्ड्रन. ओके, 10, 20,
Yes, ma'am.
30, listen, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, then mute yourself, then 100. Now see 23 कौन से दो 10 के बीच में आता है? Yes, Ankita, quickly tell me. Others mute yourself. Arush,
20 and 30.
20 and 30. It comes between 20 and 30. So अब now you have to find out 20 और 30 में से कौन सा nearest tens होगा?
20 है.
No.
20.
Yes, 20. अब देखो ये
20.
mute yourself. I know the answer is 20. Now no one
20 or 30.
Ankita, unmute yourself. Ankita Ray.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me बेटा 23 कौन से दो टेंस के बीच में आता है? यहाँ पे देखो 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 ये लिखा है. बताओ क्विकली.
20 और 30 के बीच में आता है.
20 and 30. ओके, गुड. सो आपका ये जो 20 हो सकता है और 30. अब आप इसमें से यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट वेदर इट इज 20 और 30. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट? लिसन बेटा, यू आर गोइंग टू सी वंस प्लेस. ये आपका वंस प्लेस है एंड ये टेंस. आप वंस प्लेस देखोगे. Then you will check whether 3 is greater than 5 or smaller than 5. Now here 3 is smaller than 5. Yes. So जो आपका nearest होगा वो इधर वाला होगा, previous वाला. If the number is greater than 5, अगर ये greater than होता या फिर equal होता, या तो वो 5 से greater than होता या फिर वो 5 के equal होता, then yeah, this next one. Now is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Like this you are
Yes,
going
ma'am.
nearest hundreds and nearest 1000 and nearest 10,000 में भी आप ऐसे ही करोगे. Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
now mute yourself. See 193 divided by 23. Nearest hundreds of 193 is 200 and nearest tens is 20. Now you are going to divide it. So your estimated this is your question number 5.
Actually, ma'am.
Wait. Yes. Children, quickly note down this question. Yes.
I'm on question number 3 or 5. कब करवाओगे?
That is your homework. Archana, now mute yourself. Children, quickly note down this question. Those who have done, don't unmute yourself, beta.
मैम मुझे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
Which question?
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4.
In question number 4, you have to find out nearest tens. Children, Children, Archana, in question number 4, first find out nearest tens. Then do that question. Okay. Now next question 13. Question number 13. 5589 divided by 82. Now children, here you can see that this is 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. ये 1000 तक है, तो इसका आप क्या फाइंड आउट करोगे? नियरेस्ट 1000. thousands. When we are talking about nearest 1000, आपको अपने माइंड में जल्दी से 1000 का टेबल याद आ जाना चाहिए. 1000 1 1000, 1000 2 2000, then 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, then 7000, 8000, 9000, then 10,000. बस 1000 का टेबल लिख लिया. Now quickly check. Your number is, children, what is your number? आपका नंबर क्या है? 5589. अब आप देखो ये 5589 कौन से 2000 के बीच में आएगा? Yes, अब वो बताना children. Quickly write in conversation box. When we are talking about 1000, you will write all the numbers which come in thousands table. Then you will see कौन से 2000 के बीच में आएगा. Yes. Yes, Mayank. Good. Yes, Swastik. 5000 और 6000 के बीच में. Yes, Mayank. Good. No, वैभव 4000 नहीं बेटा. आपको वैभव, प्रत्युष, नो. सी बेटा 4000 नहीं. कहाँ से ये स्टार्ट हो रहा है? ये 5 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और ये 4 है. ये तो गलत हो गया. 4000 नहीं, ये 5 यहाँ है. इधर से होगा स्टार्ट. यहाँ 5 और कौन सा ये 6000. तो इसका क्या होगा? 5000 हो सकता है या फिर 6000. This. Now how you are going to find out 5000 and 6000 में? You will check ones, tens, 100, 1000. तो जो 1000 से पहले वाली डिजिट है 100, आप उसको चेक करोगे. You are going to check 100. Okay, whether that number is equal to 5, greater than 5 or less than 5. बच्चे कॉल क्यों कर रहे हैं? अरे दूरी का कॉल आना. हेलो हेलो. Yes.
Equal to 5.
हाँ, that means 5 is equal to 5. तो कौन सा nearest 1000 होगा आपका? नेक्स्ट वाला ये. So your nearest 1000 is yes 6000. 6000 बेटा ये 5 के इक्वल है. yes it is equal. और अगर 5 से बड़ा होगा, that means अगर 6 होगा या 7 होगा, 8 होगा, 9 होगा, 5 से बड़ा, then also your next वाला जो 1000 होगा. Now is it clear? If it's not clear,
Which exercise is that? Clear.
If it's not clear, yes. Good. Now your next is 82. Nearest tens आपको उसका find out करनी है. Nearest tens of 82.
Nearest tens of 82
When
is
we talk
18.
about tens, children mute yourself.
मेरी तो exercise
Mute yourself.
6.5 पूरी नहीं हुई. आप तो 6.6 में लिखने वाली हो. 82 का 80 होगा मैम.
Dhruvi, what happened, Dhruvi? Dhruvi, wait for 5 minutes. Let me complete this question. Till then, mute yourself. Yes. Nearest tens, when we are talking about tens, ये आपको 10 का टेबल माइंड में आना चाहिए. ओके, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 100. Now
80.
check 82 yes 80 और 90. अब आप उसका वंस प्लेस देखोगे. Is it smaller than 5? Yes. So nearest tens क्या होगा इसका 80.
Yes, ma'am.
Divide it. Now children divide it. Divide it quickly. 6,000 divide by 80. So children, your estimated quotient is 75. 87s are. Children see 87s are 7 zeros are 7. Sorry 0. 7 8s are 56. यहाँ पे ये जो 560 आया. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.